So over the previous videos on this channel, I decided to start a challenge where I was going to be flipping $400 into $50,000 even before the year ends. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the progress as to what I decided to plan on. Now, for the purposes of this flipping, I decided to go using the Prof Hem route, alright, and I decided to purchase the Funding Pips Prof Hem. I again repeat that I am not in any affiliations with this particular Prof Hem. I have just used them once and I seemed it to be really cool, and that's why I decided to use it for this challenge. However, I also decided to buy a Funded Next account, but I passed the phase 1 of it, which you can find over here, but then also I failed phase 2. So I actually decided to stick to the $400 Prof Hem because that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Currently, as we speak, the prices are up, but I bought it during the time it was $400. So I actually bought a 400k account and I decided to start trading. In the first week of trading, I actually fell into some serious drawdown, so I decided to trade my way out of the drawdown. But this week has been very incredible, especially in my VIP group, and so I'm going to be showing you the details. Today is the 21st of May and it is Tuesday. We've taken only 2 trades and I have passed the phase 1 of the Funding Pips account. I'm super excited because I like to show you guys the journey and to show you exactly the trades that we took that also helped me. And also I'll be giving you guys some tips on how to actually pass your Prof Hem with very few trades. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. Alright guys, as you guys can see, currently this is the 20th of May and currently every trade that I've been calling out in the VIP, as you guys can see, was taken by over 100 plus people. These are wins that we are making on the market every single day. Now let's head over into the week. Now this was the 20th of May. Before the market opened, I actually was looking out for opportunities on the market, but there was nothing there. So I told them once I spot an opportunity, I am going to call it. No setup, no trade. Let's stay calm. Then around 1:44, which is New York session, I saw an opportunity to buy gold. Now let's look at the criteria. Buy gold now at 2413. My SL was this over here and my TP was that. So for the very first trade, we're looking out for very beautiful confirmations on the market, and as you guys can see, the very first trade was at an entry at 2413 area, which I actually called over. This was a strong buy area zone for me, so I decided to call out this trade, which we can see right over here for buy gold. Right now, when we come over to the chart, this is what exactly happened. So we had the market going in our favor, tapping to almost hit our SL and then scaling back up. But we had our guns and knew that this market was indeed going to go up because a stop loss is always there for a reason. Anytime you have a stop loss, never shift your stop loss because you are either risking so much. Let the stop loss be where exactly it needs to be. So as you guys can see, the trade was heading over, and right over here when the trade was heading over, we had done about 60 pips, right? As you guys can see, 90 pips, 120 pips, 120 pips, 200 pips. Now this was our actual target. We're actually targeting significantly more. All right, we're actually targeting significantly more. But what happened over here when the market actually got to about 200 pips, which is somewhere around here, I began to notice exhaustions in the market, and so I actually told them that kindly close your trade now. Few pips to hit TP. Don't get greedy. This is one of the most important skills that traders don't have. You need to understand that anytime you're in a trade and the market is going in your direction, it's not going to go in your direction forever. So you must have the ability to close a trade. Just as you have the skill to enter a trade, you must also know when to exit a trade as well. So I actually told them to exit the trade, and just after a few minutes after telling them, the market reversed hurriedly. Then on day 2, we spotted another beautiful opportunity, which I'm going to show you guys somewhere right over here. And the second opportunity was somewhere in and around this zone, where we spotted a beautiful buying opportunity, again with clear momentum candles, and I was looking for that really strong break in and around this particular area. However, my very strong confirmation was at this point. I knew for a fact that if the market could break, there could be a possibility of the market retesting this particular area where it broke before buying. So I decided not to tell them to close their trades even when the market decided to push up. So we saw the market pushing up, and then I was really looking out for the retest. So at this particular point is where I am looking out for rejections and strong momentum candles to confirm my buy move on the market. I could have as well waited to actually take the buy move, but I actually wanted to take the trade right at the level. So looking at it, I saw this strong momentum candle, and then I actually called out the trade. So as you guys can see on day 2, which is currently the 21st. When the market hit 80 pips, I now told them, now take some profit and break even, right? So as you guys can see right over here, when the market got to in and about 80 pips, we decided to break even on this trade. Break even on this trade right over here. Now let's see how this trade went out. So right after breaking even, we saw the market will push all the way up and hit our TP exactly as it is. Right after the price will hit our TP, the market would reverse. Now you can tell over here that our TP was fully smashed. A very beautiful trade, a very beautiful trade. Now these two trades actually caused me to pass my profit, which I am super excited about, but I need to understand that it took me only 2 trades after drawdown to actually reach my 8% target. Sometimes you need to know how to play the long-term game. If you're a trader, risk to reward is very important when you are passing profits. You don't want to be risking 40 pips and taking 20 pips TP. You don't want to be over risking, and when you're in drawdown, you are taking really small lot sizes. You want to be as patient as possible. Look for the perfect opportunity, wait for the market to get into your desired area, and then execute. Once you execute, be very rigid with your execution. Do not add emotions to it. Allow the market to run, because before you executed, you knew the reason why you executed. Allow the market to do what it has to do and set that target of at least a risk to reward of 1:2. Currently, I have passed the phase 1, and you can see it somewhere around here. I've passed the phase 1 and I'm waiting for the phase 2 of the Funding Pips account. I'm going to be taking you guys through the journey. Stick and stay with me and enjoy the process. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. So if you're a trader and you're struggling to pass your profit, come and trade with me as I share with you very good trading setups that can cause you to pass your profits within few trades. If you want to sign up with trading with me, just search for Pay MarketGod bot on Telegram. You can find it over here, and then just click on start, sign up, and get trade ideas like the 100+ people that are already in here. You get to take the trades that I take, and you can even decide to start this journey along with me so you can make over $50,000 even before the year ends. It sounds like this is something you're interested in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.